I know, you're hungry.
This one has got a crib in it.
Do you have to stand there and stare at me like that? I can feel you piercing your eyes on me. Okay, I know. You don't like that I'm putting you on blast. I know. But you're abusing me right now, man. You're abusing me. I'm coming. Okay, I'm coming now.
What the heck is wrong with you? My gosh. Ow. No, stop. Lexi. Lexi. What? Lexi. Lexi. Oh gosh. Oh my goodness, I'm so scared. Look at he's watching me. I'm so scared. Taxi, be nigga boy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, he's over here. He turned into a spider. What the hell? Taxi.
You're like, yeah, now I got you now.
I have a reason to be gay. Why would he be gay? Because when that story came out about him when he's playing for the Wizards in 2018, I was like, oh man. Yeah. That dude, that can't be true. But right then out there, and I'm gonna tell you one thing. If there's something about a woman that you don't like about her,
The massage?
you get mad, you can't bring it up. I learned the hard way. It's something that's okay when you like her. But then again, if you don't like her, then you gonna bring it up. A woman tell you something about her past and you throw it in her face. Don't do that. Don't do that. And the same thing. Have some self-control. They did something you didn't like. It made you feel some kind of way. Well, you need to have the same kind of attitude than when you was dealing with it. All of a sudden, that's what people do. All the time go and throw something behind somebody's back because the person ain't doing what they're supposed to be doing. Now you want to go ahead and throw it up. You knew he was doing it.